Here are 5 ways to make money from the Bamboo app. If you have it, just watch and see the 5 different ways you can actually make money from Bamboo app. It's not just an investing app. It is a super app that can earn you money. First of all, you can actually earn money by referring people when people use your referral code. Of course, there are some new things on Bamboo like extended hours of trading, any more on referrals. Of course, I have just mentioned that, and some other things like fixed returns rollover. But today, I want to show you that you can not just share your performance, they have an improved homepage, and I want to show you some things you need to see. Let's get to the second way to make money by earning on your stocks. Now, we have the US stocks and we have the Nigerian stocks. When you buy, your money can grow, you earn capital gains. Okay, you collect earnings when your capital has grown. You buy a stock at a lower price and then you sell it at a higher price. The difference is your profit. So there are so many stocks on the US stocks that you can pick from. All you need to do is go to the search, type the name you're looking for, and then it will pop up. Now, there are some Nigerian stocks too that are also listed. A lot of them are listed there. So when you buy them, say like Dangote, you bought Dangote maybe like 150 naira and then Dangote grows to 600. You have made a lot of money, even more than the money you invested. Another thing you need to know about earning money from Bamboo is the fact that some of these stocks pay dividends. Now, not every stock pays dividends. Some pay dividends, some don't pay. You must do your own research and find out the ones that pay dividends. Dividends are like cash income. Some companies will pay you for share profits with you, so you earn just by holding the stock, by owning the stock. And some of them pay monthly, some pay quarterly, some pay 2-3 times a year. So you need to always check the dividend history to know whether it is US stock or Nigerian stock. You have to have that information. Next is T-bills, treasury bills. This is government-backed safety. You actually lend money to the government. Government pays you interest, very low risk, and you have fixed return over a set period of time. Now, the minimum investment for Bamboo is 10,000 naira, unlike so many other places that you require to do like 500k and above 200k. This is 10k. You can start and you choose 91 days, 180 or 363 days. Now, let's say you are investing 500k and you are choosing 181 days. You can see the percentage here is 16.79, meaning you'll be earning 41,464 naira after 181 days. So you have a custody fee of 2006 naira. So you must always keep that in mind. So it has to be deducted from your capital when you are pushing this money into T-bills. Now, let's say you are going to move it to 364 days. That's the period you choose. You would see that it's going to give you 20%, 20.76%, and you'll be getting 102,258,000 after 363 days, and that will be January 2027. The next is the fixed return investment. This is sort of interesting. Bamboo allows all your idle USD balances to earn interest. They often advertise between 8% to 10% per year. It's not so big, but it has lower risk than stocks. This is for people who have money in dollars, and in their mind they're like, I don't want my money to, I don't know what to do in the stock market. Let me just push this money into this. So you can choose 30 days, 90 days, whichever one that is convenient for you. So if you want to learn more, kindly join our VIP community. You learn about the US stock market, the Nigerian stock market, treasury bills, mutual fund, and every other way to make your money with guidance and recommendations.